Hey everyone, welcome. Today we'll be looking at how to use your 2-in-1 touchscreen Chromebook to run Nearpod so that it will show on your New Line Cinema display. So taking a look at this, I'm in my Nearpod library here. I want to open a live participation lesson. And ordinarily in a lesson that you've created, you should see a link to make a co-teacher. But for the purposes of today's video, we're going to run this slightly differently. What we'll do is launch the lesson so that we can get this code. Now, I'd step over to my desktop computer at this point and enter this code that you see here, STMFB, in the join lesson box as if I'm a student. So that's on the desktop. Remember, I'm running this lesson from my 2-in-1 Chromebook with that touch screen. Now on the computer, the desktop, I'm going to add my name as co-teacher so you can see this, and I'll join the lesson on the desktop as if I'm a student. Now the interesting thing here is now I can come back to the Chromebook, and I'm sorry if there's a little noise going on here because I'm flipping it into touchscreen mode, and I've got my pen. So I'm going to click here on student names and I'll see the name co-teacher. Now I could do this with any student. I may have a full list of students here. If I click on the co-teacher name and then this more button, I'll see make co-teacher as an option. From here, I need to authorize that by clicking yes on the Chromebook, but then I'll need to step over to the desktop computer where a button says you can view teacher dashboard to see student responses in real time. You're now a co-teacher. So I have to click OK on the desktop computer. Now that I've done that, my desktop computer is the co-teacher and my Chromebook is the main teacher. Now this is the interesting thing. If I run that backwards, the little pencil icon that you can see down here in the bottom right hand corner, that will only appear on the main teacher's Nearpod lesson. So if I start this on the desktop computer, that pencil will be on the desktop and I won't be able to use my touchscreen Chromebook as an annotation tool. So what will happen here now is now that I'm on my Chromebook, I can touch this little pencil icon in the corner and now I can make some annotations on the screen. So from here I'll be able to choose the pen tool and do some circling, underlining. I could write an equation up here, solve the equation and so on. When I close the annotation, that obviously goes away. I can navigate to the next screen on the desktop computer, which I'll do here. I'm not clicking my Chromebook. It will advance on both screens, the Chromebook and on the desktop, but now I can turn on my annotation tool again, and I can come to this screen and circle or highlight, do whatever I need to on that screen, close the annotation on the Chromebook and advance on the Chromebook. So I have options as long as I'm using the Chromebook as my principal device. That way I can write on the screen as needed on the Chromebook. So this is a handy feature, but remember, start the presentation on the Chromebook, add the teacher computer as a student, then authorize the desktop computer as a co-teacher, and then you're ready to go. Okay, well, I hope that points everything out to you in a way that you'll be able to use on those touchscreen Chromebooks that you have. I hope you enjoyed this and are able to use it in the near future. Good luck and have a great day.